DeWalt Concealer Safety Goggle, your ultimate solution for protecting your eyes from dust and debris. This dual mold goggle features dual tough coat hard-coated lens that provides tough protection against scratches. Additionally, the DeWalt Extra Clear Anti-Fog Lens coating ensures your goggles stay clear even in foggy conditions. The soft, dual-injected rubber conforms to your face, providing a high level of protection from dust and debris. You can adjust the elastic cloth head strap to get a comfortable fit. Ventilation channels are also included for breathability. Finally, the polycarbonate lens meets NCZ 87.1 plus standards and offers 99.9% UVB protection for your peace of mind. Stay safe and comfortable with the DeWalt Concealer Safety Goggle. The DeWalt pole hedge trimmer boasts an extensive 3.35 meter reach and an innovative articulating 7-position head. With an operating speed of 2,800 some, professionals can power through demanding jobs in complete control of the tool, regardless of the height, shape, or density of the foliage. This robust tool delivers an extreme runtime of up to 75 minutes, thanks to its powerful battery. Featuring a 55 cm blade length and an impressive 25 mm cutting width, it provides consistently reliable and efficient cutting performance. Please note that the bare unit, batteries, and charger are sold separately. Introducing the DeWalt Ascent series electric zero-turn mowers engineered to revolutionize commercial landscaping. This innovative range of mowers is built by a company that has been helping professionals tackle the most demanding work for decades. The Ascent series is a completely new approach to battery-powered riding lawn mowers that delivers clean performance, rugged durability, and advanced support to help you meet changing regulations and run a successful business. Say goodbye to Pro Grade and say hello to Future Grade with the DeWalt Ascent series electric zero-turn mowers. Keep your USB devices fully charged with the DeWalt 2-port mobile USB charger. With automatic device detection and a maximum charging rate of 2.4 amperes, this charger ensures that your devices are charged quickly and efficiently. Whether you're on the job site or on the go, this mobile USB charger makes it easy to recharge your devices when you need them the most. Get the DeWalt 2-port mobile USB charger now and stay powered up and ready to go. Get your cutting job done with ease using the new DeWalt FlexVolt 305mm Mitre saw. This cordless saw features a brushless motor and hybrid drive, and can be powered by either 2x54V FlexVolt batteries or an AC/DC mains adapter for maximum flexibility. Despite its compact design, it has a huge cutting capacity of up to 303x110mm, making it perfect for both small profiles and large construction timbers up to 110x303mm. The XPS Shadow Line Cut Indicator ensures fast, accurate blade alignment and illuminates the workpiece for increased productivity. No adjustment is required. Choose the DeWalt FlexVolt 305mm Mitre saw now and experience a new level of cutting performance and flexibility. The DeWalt cordless cable stapler is designed for residential wiring applications, primarily for fastening Romex brand wires and cables. Made in the USA with global materials, this stapler features a proprietary cable guide that helps to drive staples over cable. The compact frame and lightweight design make it ideal for tight spaces. A center-mounted LED light helps to illuminate the work area in low-light conditions. Please note that the maximum initial battery voltage is 20 volts, and the nominal voltage is 18. The DeWalt 1800-watt portable power station and simultaneous battery charger provides convenient portable power in remote location. It can run most corded tools, delivering 1800 watts continuous power and 3600 watts peak power. It runs on 4 DeWalt 20 volts max times batteries and can also be used as a multi-port simultaneous charger for up to 4 DeWalt 20 volts max times batteries. Compact and lightweight, it is easily portable and emits no fumes or carbon monoxide. The integrated temperature-controlled cooling fan and heavy-duty roll cage make it a durable and convenient power solution for a variety of uses. Get the job done right with the DeWalt 902 Swiss francs impact wrench cordless kit. This kit includes one 3/8" impact wrench, two 12 volts max times 2 ampere-hour batteries, charger, and tool bag. Designed for hard-to-reach applications requiring tightening or loosening of nuts and bolts, this cordless impact wrench is only 5.1 in long but packs a punch with 1,500 pounds of fastening torque and 2,400 pounds of breakaway torque. It also features 3 LED lights positioned on the nose cone to illuminate work areas. Equipped with a 3-mode switch with precision wrench to help prevent over-tightening and runoff, it's the perfect tool for any job. The 230-foot 3x360 laser is the go-to-job site laser, now available on the 20 volts max times battery platform. Achieve precise positioning with a fine adjust knob and supreme accuracy of 1/8 in. At 30 foot, it has a long-reaching range of up to 330 foot. When used with a detector, the 10-hour runtime with a 20 volts max times 2.0H battery makes it perfect for a full workday. The kit includes the 3x360 green laser, battery and charger, target card, drop ceiling attachment, and a TSDAK-compatible storage case. Get the job done with the DeWalt brushless cordless random orbital sander with the power and runtime you need. This 5-inch sander features a variable speed dial for ultimate speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, perfect for a variety of projects. The one-handed locking dust bag attaches securely to the sander for easy dust collection, or the user can attach the sander directly to the DW-V010 or 12-V12 dust collectors. Its rubber overmold grip provides comfortable sanding, and replacing the 8-hole hook and loop sanding paper is quick and easy. The DeWalt Wearable Bluetooth portable speaker is a small speaker with pro audio sound that plays music and takes calls with ease in a pocket-sized design. An easy open clip for one-handed operation and detachable mounting magnet allows you to affix the portable speaker anywhere. Weighing less than 2 ounces, this mini speaker makes the perfect addition to your workday wardrobe or gardening attire. Oversized multifunction buttons were designed for gloved hands so you can change the volume and the song while you work. The wireless Bluetooth speaker is rated I56 for dust and water resistance, so it can go from part of your work accessories to your lake accessories in an instant. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.